Hi friends, this video is how to change the battery in LED temperature display water bottle. First of all, we want to remove the cap. Company of water bottle is SmartTech. SmartTech. Refresh your word. This is stainless steel vacuum flask. And then remove the frame of the cap. Want to press like this. It will come. This is the cap. The frame is opening. Half open, full open. Slide like this, it will come in. Okay. It is the sensor, temperature sensing. Now it will show perfect 20 degrees centigrade. This is the battery. You push back and pull. Oh, this is too tight. Pull again, pull. This is the battery CR2032. It will come 3 months. That is the protective sensor. Okay, now sensor is working. You want to insert the sensor place in sensor. That is the sensor point in that hole. You want to insert the sensor in that hole point. Okay, this is fixed. Okay, press and insert the frame. This is the process of changing the battery of temperature display water bottle. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.